Welcome back, children. Now we will do the second types of adverbs, that is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. As the name suggests, this tell that the action is being taken where. Understood that the verb has been taken where. This is also called as where adverbs. Earlier it was how adverbs. Now this is where adverbs, that where an action is being done. Now look at these sentences. Couple stood there. The word there tells that where couple stood. Anu and Manan are playing outside. Now the word outside tells where Anu and Manan are playing. Understood? The traveler looked up. Now the word up suggests that where the traveler looked. Now in these sentences, there, outside and up are adverbs. Since they tell where certain actions are done, they can be called where adverbs or adverbs of place. They are called as adverbs of place because it is telling that where an action is being done, where a certain actions are being done. Understood? Now see the definition. An adverbs of place tells where or at what place an action is being done or the action is done. Understood? I hope you have understood this. This is very simple. Where adverbs, that it tells where an action is being done. Now coming to the third types of adverb, that is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time, as the name suggests, this tells the time of the action. It tells the time of a certain action. This is also called as when adverbs. इसको हम when adverbs भी बोलते हैं. We call it when adverbs also. As the name suggests, it tells that when an action, certain actions are done. ठीक है. Now look at these sentences. The sun is rising now. Rohit was sleeping then. We will go tomorrow. Now these words, now, then and tomorrow, these are adverbs as they tell that when certain actions are being done, that when certain actions are being done or when certain actions are done, they can be called as when adverbs also or adverbs of time. And adverbs of time tells when or at what time an action is done. Okay, when or at what time an action is done. Now this was the third type of adverb. I hope this is clear to you. Now the fourth types of adverb, which is the new one which you will do. Okay, which is the new one which you will do in class 4th, is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. We have four types of adverbs: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, and adverbs of frequency. This is called how often adverb. How often adverb. How often adverb means that how often an action is done. Okay, और how frequently. एक action हमारा कितनी बार होता है. Understood? कितनी बार होता है या कितनी बार नहीं होता है. Understood? हमारा एक एक्शन कितनी बार हो रहा है, कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी में हो रहा है. दैट इज हाउ ऑफन एडवर्ब्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, grandmother sometimes tells fairy tales. That means this highlighted word sometimes is the how often adverbs that she tells. Sometimes she tells us fairy tales, not every time but sometimes. Kabhi kabhi tells fairy tales. He never comes to the class late. He never comes to the class late. कभी नहीं आता है वो. He never comes to the class late. He always go for a morning walk. Understood? These words sometimes, never and always. Sometimes, never and always. These three words, they are also adverbs, and since they tell that how often और हाउ फ्रीक्वेंटली, कितनी बार एक एक्शन कितनी बार होता है, कितनी बार होता है, वो बार बार होता है, कभी कभी होता है या हमेशा हो रहा है. these types of adverbs, they are called as adverbs of frequency or how often adverbs. And adverbs of frequency tells how often or frequently an action is done. Understood? How often a certain action is done. Kitni baar. I hope you have understood this. Now, how often adverbs are placed before the verb? If it is one word verb, that is late. For example, he never comes. Sorry, this is not this one. This is the verbs. Now this is the one word adverb, so it will be placed before the verb. He never comes late. Now, after the first word, if the verb has more than one word, understood? This is only one word verb comes. ये एक ही verb है. But here we have this also, understood? And then this also. हमारी ये भी तो verb है. These are auxiliary verb. Understood? I have never met him. I have never met him. I hope you are understanding this. Now when you have two verbs, this is auxiliary verb and this is the main verb. Okay, main verb. If we have these two verbs, then it is always after the first word. I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much, children. I will tell you which exercise you will do in the